Okay, see where it says right here, a greater than 1? What that means is the number right here is an a. If it's bigger than 1, you want to use a different strategy. Now, again, you can do it the way I taught you with the other one, but it takes a little bit of a trial and error. If you want to avoid that, you want to use this thing called the X method. Okay, that's what Mr. Kano was trying to teach you on YouTube. You take 3 and you multiply to -5 and you put it on the top. Negative what?
15.
15. Now, sometimes teachers will put the actual letter there, -15p squared, okay? The middle number, -2, you put it down here, okay? -2p. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to find two numbers that multiply up to -15p squared, but the same 2 as adding up to -2. What are those two numbers? What two numbers multiply to -15p squared, where the same two numbers add up to -2p?
And 3.
But which one's positive, which one's negative?
-5 and +3.
Yeah, so you put -5p, +3 what? 3p. And those two numbers are going to replace this guy right here. See that? So you're going to rewrite this whole thing as 3p squared. And you're going to put -5p plus 3p and back to -5. So you notice how the first number here stays the same. The last number stays what? The same. All we did was rewrite -2p as these two. You see it? So nothing's changed except for the format. Got it? And then once you do that, you factor by grouping. You group these two. And you group those two and you factor it out. Well, the only factor that's common between those two is the letter what? P. So go P parentheses 3p minus what? 5. From the second one, there's nothing factorable, so you just write it as like this. 3p minus 5. You see it? So now you can factor out a 3p minus 5 and have a p plus 1. So this will be 3p minus 5 times p plus 1. And that's how you factor it. Now, sometimes your teachers will teach you a different way called the square method, which I'm actually going to teach you. Because you have to know all the different ways teachers do it so that you'll know all the different ways how teachers teach it. Okay, here. So this one here. I'm going to rewrite this one over here. 2n squared plus 3,9 minus 9. See, this is what happens when you do your homework at the last minute. You really don't learn anything. So you need to do your homework during the week, struggle through it, try to figure it out, and when you can't, then you bring it to tutoring and say, I need help with this. All right, I want you to try it by yourself. Go, fill it out.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? I'm going to post this on Freeform. Open up your Freeform right now. Okay, do you see it? This? Hey, do you see it? You in? Click on the link.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay,
There it is.
Doggy, down. Hurry up. Draw the X and fill in the numbers. A little doggy. Oh, the snot came out. There it is. Hey, doggy.
What
Down.
breed of dog?
Huh?
What
He is
type?
a Dutch Shepherd. They're very smart. They're very close to the Belgian Malinois. They're like police dogs.
Okay.
Any year now.
Wait, I'm asking you a question.
What?
Like when you multiply to a -9, like is it on top, right?
Yes. For the umpteenth time. Yes.
Just making sure.
Okay. Now put 18n squared because you're multiplying the 2n squared times negative 9. Now again, some teachers leave it out, but for this time, let's just leave it in so you can visually see what's going on. The bottom number is going to contain what? The middle guy, the 3n sits right here. Now find two numbers that multiply upwards and add downwards.
Oh.
No, you gotta think about the positivity and the negativity as well. You can't just put two numbers. Okay, now what do you? This is 6n negative 3 what? So take that and rewrite it right here. No, you can pull out a 2n.
Oh.
Both of these have n. Okay, good. Now, when you see a negative, you want to pull out a negative, yes. Now, what you're going to hope for is that this one and this one will always be what? The same.
Oh.
The same, the same. Okay, now can you factor those out? These are factors. They're common factors, so pull it out. And plus 3, parentheses. And then 2n minus 3. You get it?
2. No.
This one and this one. You factored it out n plus 3 from the 2n and negative 3, so 2n minus 3 is left over.
Oh. Okay.
That's how you do it. Okay? All right. Do another one. Come on. I need to show you the other method too, so. Stop, 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 stop. When there's a negative, you always pull the negative out. -2. Yes. Do you see how these two are exactly the same right here? When those are the same, you know you're doing it right. Now, one more step. All right. Another one. It's you're so slow. Where is it? Why is it thinking so slow? It's it should show up right here. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Go. Well, that's weird. It showed up on yours first.
Yeah.
Crazy. I'm gonna reopen mine. That's so not fair, dude. Good. There you go. Okay. After that one, there's one more on the bottom. Do that. Okay.
Oh, it's gone. Oh no.
No. Okay. Look. When you write it like this, you're multiplying everything together. You're grouping it. Okay. So this right here is separate. This right here is separate. You have to separate it by a plus sign or a minus sign, whatever happens. You can't just combine these as multiplication. Do you get it? See, did you listen to what I'm saying?
Yeah, but like I don't
Rewind,
get it.
rewind this video because I'm not gonna repeat it again. Okay, listen to it again. There are four terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're being added. We're gonna group the first two. So group them first two, then add on the second group by putting a plus sign in between.
Oh.
Durr. All right, keep going. What? Excuse me. Wait, hold on. What? It looks so messy. Let's try this. Oh, it's overlapping? Here, let's erase that again. Try it again. All right, did it erase?
It was normal on my screen.
All right, try again. It's from here. What can you factor out? A V.
V. Yeah.
Yes, factor out a V. Or you can do it later? Okay, fine. Put it in parentheses first. Yes, you can do that. And then? No, V comes out. So you only have, what? Wait, did you write anything?
No.
You wrote it like, what? It's not syncing?
Yours is syncing like really late.
Like lame-o.
Like so not
It's
cool.
You know what? I'm gonna have to send you another link. Hold on. Go to OneNote. Let's see how fast OneNote's syncing today. Go to today's date, 7:15. Okay, write something on here.
Oh, shoot.
Hello, Jello. Is that?
I can see that. Oh, yeah.
Write something? Okay, it's pretty fast. Let's just use this right now. Man. Dude, I'm not stinky. People always call other people those names because they're the ones who smell. Alright, do this one. Right, stinky.
Okay, stinky.
No, you're not stinky. You're stinky.
Can I just copy down the
Just
thing
call
I
me
already-
Aroma, okay, guys? I have this very.
Because you have a stinky aura.
No,
It's probably green. A
no, when I
green
fart,
bubble.
it smells like roses. Okay, it's the aroma, fragrance.
Your
Fragrance
kids
from.
would not agree. Can I just copy down what I already have?
Will you hurry and no? This is different.
Oh.
Do it over.
Oh.
This is number 4. It's a different problem.
Oh.
Yes. Yes, you can't copy, okay?
Dang it. Oh, shoot.
Goodness. What kind of an X is this? Only partial. I mean, I see your 60 on the screen. So weird. So weird.
What?
So weird.
I'm confused.
Redo my net. Two numbers that multiply to 60 but add up to 19. What two numbers multiply?
Wait, no.
What? You got 10 times 6, which doesn't work, right? You got 12 times what? 5. What else?
60.
You got 2 times 30.
4 and 15.
Okay, there you go. Internet is.
I think your internet's bad today.
Oh, it's 400 plus. Steady, look at that. It's yours.
Are you sure?
Yeah, see, my upload is also 200. Which is good. Can you keep going?
Oh my god, I'm a sophomore slump.
No, I told you. If you write it like this, you're multiplying everything together. There you go.
OMG.
Okay. Finally. Oh, good job. Okay. You know what? I'm not going to teach you the other way because it's probably going to take another couple of sessions. Okay. Now, we got to do something really, really important. It's called polynomial inequality. Okay. So watch this. This is something you're going to see in Algebra 2 that I know you're going to have a hard time with. So Now, usually, you'll see an equation set equal to what? 0. Okay. Remember, you're trying to understand what's going on, not copy steps. You understand? You can't just copy steps anymore because it's not going to make sense. You have to understand the concept. Okay? What are we asking for? We're asking for n values or some number that if you square it and plus 3 times that number, not 2, you end up with a what?
0.
Yeah. Can we call it a big fat 0? No, because 0 is nothing. How can it be fat? Oh, so deep philosophically, right? Okay. So what two numbers or how many solutions do we have? Well, notice that it says n what? N squared. That means you have up to 2 solutions. Up to 2, right? You can have 0, you can have 1, you can have what?
2.
Piece, okay?
Oh.
All right, you can have up to 2. Now, it turns out you have 2. Factor it. Go.
IDK what that is.
Dude, what? IDK?
I don't know where you wrote that down.
Oh my gosh. The second untitled page under
There's
715.
no second untitled page.
Just pull it down like this. Pull it down like this. Sync. See it?
No.
Yes. You're just totally lying. You know you see it. Just.
I did that.
Under 715?
Yeah.
What is wrong with your...
I don't know. It's like I'm pulling it down. Oh, there.
Go ahead.
Oh.
Yes. I thought so.
Sorry, the writing hasn't synced in yet.
Sure. Just tell me out loud.
Oh, then it's n plus 1, n plus 2.
Yes. N plus 1, n plus... Wait, didn't it sync yet?
No.
I'll just write another one so that we don't overlap. Okay, so now what two numbers will turn this into 0? Well, if you solve for each one separately, you get n equals -1, n equals negative what?
2.
Cool, okay. Now, this is really important. When it's equal to 0, there's only 2 solutions for this problem. But what if this was written as this, n squared plus 3n plus 2 greater than 0? Now, what does that mean? It means, okay, that looks like an onion. Okay, what this means is that you need to now find every possible numbers for n that after you plug it in, the value will be positive. This one, it's only for equal to what?
0.
Yes, now we want everything to be what? Positive. Okay, all right, let's switch back to freeform. I think OneNote gave up on us.
Yeah, it's still not loaded.
Oh my goodness.
And I've refreshed it.
You gotta tell your parents you need to get like a better internet system. Okay, look, go to Safari right now. I'll prove it to you. Go to Safari and type in speed test and hit run speed test and tell me what number is showing up on that screen.
240, 260, 270.
Okay, that's download speed. What about upload speed? What's your upload speed? 10. That's what I'm saying. If it's my upload speed is 97, whatever you write, okay, whatever you write is going up to the clouds. That's why it's taking a long time to get to me. Okay, all right.
What was that?
It just means my internet's better.
Is it hot?
No, my internet is better. Okay, all right. All right, now watch this. Factor this out the same way. Do you see it on yours?
No.
Yeah, I'll just write it.
No.
Okay, n plus 1, n plus what? 2. Okay, same thing as what we see right over what? Here. So factoring is done exactly the same way, but solving this is slightly different. Now, you have to understand what's going on. So I want you to watch this video about 50 times, okay? Around the 47th time, it's going to slowly start to make sense. Now, okay, watch. You have a number line with infinite amount of opportunity to plug it into this value right here, right? You got values from like 0 to negative, and then 0 to what?
Positive. Positive.
Yes, no, I'm cooling myself down, okay? All right.
Oh.
Now, of the infinite possible numbers here, the first question we're going to ask is, of all of these numbers, what's going to cause this guy to become a what? 0. Now, we're looking for values that are greater than 0, yes, but we're going to start with 0 first. Why? 0 becomes a reference. So at -2 and -1, we're going to get what?
0.
Okay, does that make sense? Does it make sense? Now, what does that mean? Listen carefully. It means every other number you plug in less than -2 into this equation, it'll either be positive or negative. It'll never be 0. These are the only two numbers that'll turn this equation to 0. That means every other number will yield anything but what?
What, 0?
But 0, yes. Okay, so let's test it out. So let's plug in like -3. What do you get when you plug in a -3? Plug it in. I mean, do it in your head. Can you do it in your head? If you plug in -3 here, -3 plus 1 is a?
-2.
Well, I don't really care about the value. I just want to know if it's positive or negative. This is negative. Okay, look, watch. I'm gonna go like this. These two parentheses, they represent, right? Plug in -3 into the first one, you get a negative. If you plug in -3 right here, you get another what?
Negative.
Negative. Negative times negative will turn this into a?
Positive.
So every number less than -2 will create a positive result for that equation. What about in between? Well, let's test the number in between. What's a number that we can test in between? -1 point what?
5.
Okay, so plug it in. If you plug in -1.5, what do you get? All right, if you plug in -1.5, what do you get?
0.5, negative.
Yeah, negative, right? If you plug in -1.5 in here, what do you get?
A positive.
A positive, and a negative number times a positive number will always yield a what?
Negative.
So do we want to choose any numbers between -2 and -1? No. What about after -1? We'll pick an easy number after -1, like what?
4.
An easier number, like
2.
yes, 0. 0 is right after -1, right? So plug it in. What do you get?
1.
Positive, and what?
A positive.
And
Positive.
notice, anything greater than 0 means it's positive. So what does this mean? It means if I choose numbers that are bigger, less than 0 this way, and bigger than what? -1 this way, into this equation, I'm going to get something greater than 0. So how do I write my answer? Like this. This is called interval notation. Does that make sense? This is called, the right side of this is called the upper bound. This is the lower bound. The lower bound means, okay, the highest value on this interval is -2, but we're not going to touch -2, so we're going to put a what? A parenthesis. And this is going to go negative what? Infinity. Union, that's what this means. Union or the word or on the other side, after -1 to positive what? Infinity. You can even write it like this. X will be less than -2, or X must be greater than negative what? -1. Making sense? Do you understand the concept behind this? How amazing this is? You've just figured out every possible infinite possibility to make this equation work. So your solution, your answer will be this. Here, let's try another one before we go. Okay, because you'll be doing this for homework. All right, let me make up a different problem. So like n squared minus 4n. Wait, how do I make a 4? Oh, that's an x. Oops, my bad. Okay, 4n plus what? 3. And I want these to be less than or equal to what?
0.
Okay, go. Factor it out. Go. Start. Great. Do you see it on your iPad?
No.
Okay, you know what you do? Open up another page.
No, I see it, but just not that portion.
What do you mean? I know. So just go to the next.
Here.
Okay. So you work on this one because we don't want it to overlap. I'm going to go on the previous page, which is blank, and do the exact same thing that you're doing. All right? Hurry. Okay, what's your factors?
N plus.
No, n minus 3.
N minus 3, N minus 1.
Good. Okay. Now we draw a number line because when you do inequalities, you have to look at every possible value. What numbers are we going to start off with? We call these critical numbers. What are our critical numbers? The numbers that turn the equation to
Positive.
0. You start with whatever yields a 0. What's gonna make this into 0?
3.
And what?
1.
So I'm gonna put 1 and 3 right there, and I put 0 on top. You see it? Now we want it to be less than or equal to 0, so we do want 0. So I'm gonna just go like this, shade it in. You see it? But now the question is, what about the numbers below -1 and below +1, between 1 and 3, and what? After 3. So I'm going to put 2 parentheses that represents those 2 parentheses up there and do a number line test. Plug in a number less than 1. What's a good number less than 1? Hannah, hurry. We're running out of time. Yeah, so plug it in. If you plug in 0 right here, what do you get?
Negative.
Yeah, if you plug in 0 right there, what do you get?
Negative.
So this will become positive. Do we want positive numbers? No, we want it to be less than 0, which means, so we don't want these people here. What about between 1 and 3? What's the number that we can test between 1 and 3?
2.
2. So plug it in. What do you get?
Negative.
Negative and what?
Positive.
Positive. And then this will always yield a what?
Negative.
Do we want that?
Yes.
Yes. What about after 3? Now, normally it's going to flip-flop. Positive, positive, or negative, positive, negative. But you always have to check. Sometimes some equations you're going to work with have like negative, positive for higher order polynomials. Okay, 4 will be positive. So this will be what? Positive. We don't want those. So how do we write our answer? Well, it's going to be between 1 and 3. This is my lowest number. This is my highest number. It's going to touch it. So we'll put a bracket like that. This right here is your what? Your answer. Between 1, 2, 3. These are my intervals. You see it? Okay. Your homework, if you look at your homework page, okay, you didn't finish that. So I'm going to reassign all of that. You didn't finish the algebra 1 final. You have to finish that. And you have to do this. Okay. Notice it's all inequalities. Same thing. Right?
Okay.
Don't do it on the day we're having tutor. Finish it before we have tutoring. Got it?
Okay.
All right. Bye.